If you clicked on this video, you're someone who's looking forward to make your first dollar online, right? Well, you've come to the right place, my friend. But in today's video, I'm not gonna tell you the strategy, I'm not gonna give you the hack that will get you to XYZ, none of that shit. I'm just gonna help you in the mindset part. Why? Because right now, your monkey brain does not understand the difference between making your first dollar online and making your first $10,000, $1,000 or whatever, right? You first have to make your single dollar, guys. You can't get to $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 and jump straight from $1,000 to $100,000, right? That does not make sense. If you're aiming for greatness, always remember that you just have to take one single step at a time, right? So, what's your logical move? If you want to make $10,000 online, you just have to make a single dollar. That's it. That should be your main goal. Let me tell you my story, guys. My first ever dollar or my first ever sale was from a digital product. All I did was just tell my story. I just told my raw, authentic story, guys. So here's the thing. 3 months ago, I was selling a digital product which was a personal development blueprint where I help people with their mindset, their body, their sleep, and whatnot, right? So instead of focusing on hitting that $10,000 or $1,000, all I focused on was just getting that first sale. Why? Because I just wanted to make that single dollar. I just wanted to show my mind that it's possible, that the internet money is real. And so because of that, I started creating content. I was uploading videos, shorts, TikToks. I was doing all these great things. I did this for 3 months straight, and at the end of the third month, I got a sale. And let me tell you, once you make your first dollar or your first sale online, your mind will accept that this is possible. Your mind will accept that this is reality, and that's what you need. Because let me tell you, my friend, we all know that in our brain, there's conscious and subconscious mind, right? So your conscious mind will make all the decisions, all the calculated risk, XYZ, right? But your subconscious mind is silently programming you to succeed or fail. So your job is to make sure that your subconscious mind agrees that making money, becoming that person, getting there, getting this is possible. That's it. You have to make sure that your subconscious mind accepts and agrees that this is reality and this is possible. Now, before I get into the subconscious mind part, let me tell you how I made that first sale. So basically, all I did was tell my story. That's it. All of us have a unique story to tell, right? Don't tell me you don't have any story to tell. So in my case, I just told my raw, authentic story. I talked about my failed businesses, my wrecked health, how I messed up in so many things, and at the end, I had a simple CTA. Get my blueprint if you want the same transformation. And guess what, guys? That guy didn't even cross-check me. He didn't go around and asked if I was legit, if I was scamming, none of that shit. He heard my story, he resonated with it, and he trusted me instantly. Why? Because if I'm a sort of person who's okay with talking all the downfalls, all my vulnerable stuff, why would I want to scam others, right? He already resonated with me and built the trust when he read my story. By the way, I wrote a thread on Twitter, so I got the sale from Twitter. So yeah, all I did was tell my story, that's it. So I guess you're recognizing a pattern over here. First, you have to get your mindset right and focus on getting that first single dollar online. And second, you need to make sure your subconscious mind agrees and accepts that this is reality. And third, what should you do? Master storytelling. That's it, my friend. This is the 3 main things you need to make your first single dollar online. That's it. Alright, now coming back to the subconscious mind part. I recommend you all to read The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. It's a fantastic book. Long story short, you have to constantly rewire your subconscious mind. How? You have to be talking positively about yourself. I'm not just telling about that airy fairy, oh, manifest your first dollar, don't do any work, manifest in your bed and that'll happen. No, none of that shit. Put in the work and constantly talk good about yourself. Show your subconscious mind that you're a sort of person who talks the talks and walks the walks. Create that content, make that video, upload that post, connect with new individuals. Do all of this, guys. The idea over here is setting yourself up for success. Why? You're increasing your probability of success. You're uploading content, making reels, writing Twitter or Instagram threads, whatever that is. The idea over here is increasing your probability to succeed. Any one thing out of these four will succeed, guys. That's inevitable. If you tell your story authentically and if you build a product around that, there's no way you're gonna fail. You will make your first dollar online and you will make your sale, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this and I hope that you truly make your first dollar online. I wish someone told me this earlier because it's really easy to win. All you have to do is, as I said, first you have to focus on making your first dollar online. Second, reprogram and train your subconscious mind. And third, master storytelling. That's it. Now, if you want me to help you master storytelling personally, where I provide you all the templates that are proven to go viral, and not only viral because viral is vanity, right? I'll ensure that your threads reach a lot of people and that converts into paying clients, right? So I'll give you all the templates. I have a lot of proven working templates where you can use on Twitter, X, or anything. Basically, you can just make a video on that and it will work because that's the power of storytelling. And also, I'll help you break free from your dopamine addiction, embody the characteristics of someone who is worthy of winning, and to top it off, I'm gonna give you a bonus of my personal development blueprint where you can upgrade your mindset, your health, your physique, your sleep, rewire your brain, break free from your porn addiction, and you'll get access to my solo leveling Notion template. All of these things. If you're interested in this, guys, I'll leave a link below. You can book a call with me and we can speak. And of course, guys, this is paid stuff. So if you're looking for something free, you can join my private community or follow me on X. But if you want me to personally help you win, then make sure to book a call and I'll be waiting for you. Catch you in the next video. Peace.